you suffer from those dreaded pimples on a daily basis? Are you sick and tired of trying promising products that claim to be better than the rest, but are usually disappointingly the same? Most acne treatments try to eliminate the oil produced by your own body with dangerous drugs, unclog pores by partially exfoliating some of the outer layer of your skin with acids, or eliminate bacterial infections with harsh chemicals that can cause irritation, redness, extreme dryness, and free radicals that damage your skin tissues. Try a radically different acne treatment solution to prevent and eradicate acne by naturally addressing the root cause of the problem with an exceptional combination of botanical and biological compounds. Acne is not caused by germs. It's mostly an inflammatory response to sebum outbreaks within the hair follicles and is followed by the proliferation of acne bacteria within clogged pores. A complete and effective acne treatment must address both inflammation and acne bacteria and should always aim to avoid acne scarring. Our product has been designed to meet these criteria. It gathers the synergistic benefits of a miraculous biological serum produced by a living creature with skin similar to human skin, but one that never gets infected, plus 4 other powerful botanical ingredients that work together to treat the root cause of acne. For more information, go to www.bioskinclear.com or call 1-866-BIOSKIN. 1-866-BIOSKIN.